Okay, so I got this dog step stool here. I'm showing it to you guys because it's been sitting in my computer room. What you're going to have to do is open it up. It does not come looking like this. It comes in a vacuum sealed bag. So pop the vacuum sealed bag open and let this thing air out for a while. And now I'm going to put the cover on it. And we're going to go see if my... she's getting older in age. She's got some gray on her. And I bet she would love having these steps to get up in the bed. She sleeps in the bed with us at night. So we're going to see if they work. Okay, so we're going to start with this little handle here is going to go on this side of the steps. Because I just try to do it the other way, and it doesn't go that way. So it's got to go this way. So we're going to go ahead and start with it like that. And pull this down just like that. That side. So now, start working this down. And there you have it. Wasn't too bad. Want to put it on the right way. So we got our handle here. And a little strap thing here. So I'm going to go put this on the side of the bed and see if I can get her to use it. Like I said, right now she's not to the point where she needs it yet. She did hurt her hip. Probably, I think last year she hurt her hip and she would have needed this. I wish I would have had this last year because she was crying every time she tried to jump into the bed. So that would have been nice to have. She's recovered since then, but she is getting up there in age, and I imagine she's going to start needing this very soon. So let's go try it. Okay, you can see Phyllis is in the bed right now. And it's less of her jumping into it. Whenever she jumps out of it, she lands real hard on her front paws. So this thing is great for her being able to gradually get off the bed without hurting her shoulders and everything, that big jolt she's going to get from jumping off the bed. Because as you can see, it's pretty high. So, I'm going to show you guys. Come on. Come on. And there you go. She got down real nice and easy. And it saved her shoulders. So that's the stairs. And if you need some, these are not bad. They're soft. The material on the outside is soft. And the stair itself is also soft. So I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.